left off, we had installed the pantry, added cabinet doors, fillers, and cover panels.
And we're just going to repeat the exact, and then 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So those are the three numbers that I need to be mindful of. Yours will be different, but check your guide and follow along.
Now we need to put drawers in the base cabinets, install the island, and address that weird dummy cabinet in the corner.
Pause a drive.
What'd you say?
Pause a drive.
Oh, that's what it is?
That's the kind of screws these are.
Oh, okay.
I almost bought a pause a drive screwdriver, but I remembered we had these things. I guess it depends on where is it supposed to line up. Is it supposed to cover the bottom of the frame?
That's what I thought. Is it as low as it can go?
That's the question. I may have to, remember these things, brackets that held the sides on?
Yeah.
They might be upside down.
I think they are.
And that's what she said the directions were wrong.
Yeah, because I think it's supposed to go down to the bottom.
All right, drawer front is reassembled.
Okay, I got another one. Yeah, that's exactly how it should be.
Yes.
Okay.
All right, only took 87 tries. Unscrew it, do it again.
There we go. That's maybe a small one. Level everything out.
Looking good.
It's not a new tool, but it's a new item.
It's an unboxing.
That's like pretty cool.
Yeah. Oh, don't lose that.
No need that.
Very nice.
See, it's got the
Uh-huh.
up top
Yep.
and the bottom.
Ames went to pick us up dinner, but I am staying back to disassemble and reassemble drawers for like the third time. Pay attention to those stock numbers, people. All these Maximera drawer bottoms kind of look similar. They're different. Good news is I've gotten really good at doing the release mechanism to take the drawer frames off. Turn to lift that tab. I'm going for that cross right there. It looks like a Phillips. Turn that tab so you can get in there. Doing them both at the same time is really the tricky part.
Okay. Yeah. Tell him, Doug.
Hold on a sec.
Okay.
Gotta get a drink.
Yeah, hydrate.
It would be. I don't know, this is 4 feet. I'm not doing it.
Yeah. You know what I mean? Yeah. Right here's 4 feet, and I'm gonna do a little bit of counter on both sides. Right? I'm gonna do a little.
Yep, but a
overhang.
little.
A little overhang.
But I think it's supposed to be 36 inches.
Another one you try to do is align the back with the edge of the.
No, that side's too high. Tried to adjust the front, so I think we're gonna have to do that with shows.
Yeah.
Boys, you hungry? You ready to rock?
Yep.
Okay.
Reference.
Good. Better? Yep. Okay. Lift this guy up.
Where are you going with it?
Just over here.
Okay.
That's good. Phillips.
Yeah, I love it. Nice. Solid.
Yeah, so solid. Okay, I'm going under yours. Going on top of yours because it's angling down.
Nice.
I don't want to carry it that far.
Smart.
Up and down, up and down. How does this look back here?
It's shooting higher on the new cabinet than it is on the other cabinet. Probably have to remeasure it.
That looks pretty
I'm
good.
just gonna do this way. Front end, front end, front end.
Yep.
Yep, I got it. Okay.
That's looking good.
Yeah. And then I'll just, I have to silicone these guys, so I'll just silicone that and then silicone around that, but yeah, it's solid as a rock.
Nice.
Just gotta tighten everything up, put the cover plate on. Make sure I'm getting a stud.
Okay. Let me kind of support it for you. Yeah. Are you ready?
That actually better than head.
Oh, damn.
Yeah. I don't know, like,
Okay. And I think that'll lower it enough that I can
Yep.
break this rail.
I think you're right.
Hopefully.
Fingers crossed.
Yeah.
All right, we're getting there.
Yeah.
So we're gonna up, try to get this door higher. Okay, I'm gonna put an edge band on this.
Okay.
Let's see how this goes. Yeah?
All right.
Need to get this started here.
Itty bitty screws. Little number 4s.
I wish we had a
A magnetic bit? Yeah, that'd be super handy.
Oh, I don't have the patience.
Except this one's almost too small.
Oh my god. Okay. Oh, I can hear my hip.
I heard that. I heard that. Snap, crackle, pop. That's a little more right about there is perfect.
Good.
Yeah.
Oh. Here we go.
Alright.
That looks really good.
Yeah.
Do you have any more tape now?
Masking tape?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright. And then I'll just tape in here. Tape and then caulk in here. Should be nice and dry.
Yeah.
Ah!